I'm so high. I'm so high that I can touch the sky. They don't understand me, don't know why. Lay back in my room and I just cry. No.
Okay, y'all, so today we're going to do a video tutorial on how to use the Vapor Shower Vicks Soothing Shower Tablets. It comes with 3 in the box, and it is harmful if swallowed or put in mouth, of course, and it has the cautions on the label. You place it on the shower floor, it infuses with your shower steam and dissolves cleanly. If you have a cough or your throat, you just need to open your airways, you just need to breathe. These are what you need, y'all. These really work. So let's go ahead and test this baby out. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and calm the water all the way to hot. So we can go ahead and put the shower on. We'll put the mixer. So this is how they come, you guys, in a little clear pack. And you just take it out. I already cut it open. You're going to put it in the spot where the steady shower train is. Now we're just going to wait until we get that steam coming, hot water, and shower. We're going to put this in. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can tell, but it is steam coming out of there. Once you get that steam, you put that tablet right there. Put it right there in the shower where that steam coming from. And then it's going to activate and it's going to smell like right now. Oh my God, I don't know if y'all see that thing, but all I got is that vapor. And you don't have to use the whole thing. Last time I used like, as it got a little smaller, and then I took it out. I put it in for a couple of minutes. See it fogged up? Y'all know that steam is yak. After I use my vapor shower and got the shower, sniffing all good, I can smell. Then that's when I go in with my vapor rub on the chest. Okay, when nobody say, I love me some vapor rub. I bet I can breathe. And I ain't coughing too much. Ooh. And y'all, after I finish using my vapor shower, I get out and I use my vapor rub. And I put right here. And I put a strip across my nose because my mom, I don't know, my grandma used to do that when we was young. And I can breathe. I can breathe clearly now, my Vicks is on. Good night, y'all. Get that Vicks.
I'm so high. I'm so high that I can touch the sky. They don't understand me, don't know why. Lay back in my room and I just cry.